Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's the exactly time on this ROVA selfie drone, because it said 8 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and do this in real life so you guys know exactly, because I feel like I'm only flying maybe about 4 minutes. I don't think it's 8 minutes, but anyway, the battery is fresh on this one. You can see here, so this is a brand new battery, and then we're gonna see how it hovers and everything. And before that, see, what you want to do is really confusing, because if you're gonna think about using this ROVA drone so you won't get connected or whatever like that or anything else, you gotta put it in the airplane mode. So when you use your Wi-Fi, it directly goes to this guy here. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and check out the flight time on this guy, and you guys can see how exactly this ROVA hover, because with obstacle avoidance, it looked like it's drunk flying. It's called a drone drunk. Anyway, well, we're gonna go ahead and check it out and go from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this, see exactly what's the flight time, and go from here. So we're gonna go ahead and I don't have no other I can think of here, so I gotta use this watch. So anyway, it shouldn't take me this long to do this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in airplane mode and go from here. Got it. Got this guy on. So it's kind of crazy how this really works. So apparently you have to press the button to do it. So let me go ahead and get to the app first. I'll just get into the app, and it should be connected. I mean, it's pretty fast, and you guys can see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So you guys can see the app. I mean, it's really clear. And for the iPhone 10, you can see even the edges here, and they're pretty accurate with their app. And the Tello, you still have it like that much of a. They still have that cutoff, but this one here is a full. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do the calibration. They recommend you to do it every time you fly this thing before you hover. I guess it's recommended. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it out and see exactly what's the flight time, and we can go from here. So me to the app. Give me just a second here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fly it off. I'm gonna put the obstacle avoidance on just in case, and go from here. Now it's flying. And then you can see it for yourself. See that? Here. It's really difficult to do this. And you can see hover around. and it's not even steady. So I'm basically doing a manual. It's scary, man. So, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and land this thing. See how it just bounces off? We hover. So I'm not even doing the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the video. So I'm gonna see exactly. Wow. What's the flight time on this one? So, you see that? I'm not even touching it. And this thing flies itself. Wow. I gotta hold I gotta pretty much, so you gotta baby this thing. I'm already in 2 minutes. I'm sorry. I'm already. So I mean, I'm doing manually. I'm not even touching it. And the optical avoidance is on. I don't know why it's doing that. Wow. Good thing I can still manage it. I did manage it. Wow. Almost 2 minutes on the recording. I don't know if that's precision or not. So I gotta maintain the flight. This is crazy. It's like manual. It can even handle itself. So I already do the calibration on this one. See? I'm gonna wow, it's crazy. And I already got a low battery. Wow, low battery ready. Low battery ready. 3 minutes. See how difficult that is? So you guys see the stuff that I have to deal with. Okay? So constantly, maybe the camera cannot read the ground, but definitely not good for indoors. Wow. So it's about 4 minutes, about 5 minutes flight time of this guy. And this is just flying indoor without no wind or anything like that. So, yeah, it's about 4 minutes. Sorry guys. It's about 4 minutes. I'm gonna go one more time. if I can go ahead and launch it. Yeah, so it won't do it anymore. And you can see the app is not accurate. If you guys see this, you see the battery, it still shows that it still have a good battery. So it's insane. So 4 minutes. I want to go ahead and stop the video. Now, you guys can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and relaunch it. So a lot of people, what they do is sometimes when you turn on the battery itself, so it's the same battery. I did not touch it yet. Like I said, I don't even want to time it because it's totally worthless. It's disconnected. So you gotta turn it off again, the app, and then you can pretty much get back to the app. And like I said, 4 minutes of flight and it's done. If you guys see this, and then now it shows here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the obstacle avoidance on, and this one right here just to make sure. Hold on. Yeah, it's probably done anyway. Hold on, let me do. Yep. Let me go ahead and turn it on because sometimes it's funny. Okay, maybe it go back on. So this is the stuff that you have to deal with if you own this drone. I mean, the app is nice. And then we're gonna go ahead and see, it'll fly back up. So that was 4 minutes earlier. God, you see that? I have to keep touching the throttle. I mean, I'm sorry, it's just, I'm gonna go ahead and look at that. Wow. And it's got a warning level on it. And look at that. The more you're trying to maintain this thing, I guess it's not reading the ground. Yeah, so it's not reading the ground. I mean, because they just have that camera in there. But even though with the obstacle avoidance, it's supposed to work. You see that? So that's like what, how many seconds in that video? So you're talking about maybe, so about 5 minutes flight time with this guy. Wow. So I'm gonna do one more time and go from here. So thank you for watching, and I really do appreciate it.